Apart from being the best soccer players in the world, Lionel Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo are tycoons who know how to live life to the fullest with the luxuries that money can buy. But have you ever considered which one lives the more luxurious life? This video features a fierce battle between Cristiano Ronaldo and Lionel Messi. Before we begin, which do you believe is the GOAT or greatest of all time? Place your bets in the comment section below, and we'll see who has the best guess at the end of this video. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Life of Luxury. Savor the flavor of exploring wealth, where we post videos about life and luxury. Join us on an exciting video as we explore the wonderful lives of the elite. We are absolutely thrilled to share our knowledge with you. If you are new here, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that we can continue to post videos on this channel. And don't forget to leave a comment and we'll make sure to engage and start some interesting discussions with you. Without further ado, let the battle begin. Round 1. Their main mansion. Cristiano Ronaldo previously lived in a mansion in Torino, the capital of Piedmont in northern Italy. The soccer player's residence is in a more discreet location, surrounded by trees, to provide him with more privacy. The interior design matches the player's vain style, with several pictures of him printed on the walls. The rooms are well lit, with large windows that brighten the space and add a sense of coziness. It has an indoor pool with black marble walls, and of course, a gym with cutting-edge equipment for him to work out and maintain his athlete's physique. In addition, in 2019, he purchased a beautiful beach house in the southern Spanish resort of Marbella. The luxurious property is located in a gated community, designed specifically for millionaires. It has 4 bedrooms, a large living room surrounded by glass, an infinity pool, and a breathtaking view of the Mediterranean Sea. According to some sources, Cristiano Ronaldo may have spent around $1,600,000 on this beach house. Lionel Messi, on the other hand, has owned a property in Castelldefels, which is only 14 miles from Barcelona for many years. This mansion is located high up in the hills and has a beautiful view of the city, while also providing him with plenty of privacy to live with tranquility. The interior of the property appears to be very comfortable and cozy, ideal for him to rest after a rigorous training regimen. There is plenty of room outside too. To give you an idea, other properties in the area can cost up to 10 million euros. So most probably, Cristiano wins the first round because he owns more than one house. Round 2. Luxury apartment. Cristiano decided to purchase an apartment on New York's famous Fifth Avenue, more specifically in the Trump Tower building, which was founded and built by former President Donald Trump. The property is 2,500 square feet in size and has a very classic and luxurious decor, with floors made of black and white limestone and many walls covered in wood. However, it is the fantastic view from the apartment that really stands out. Being able to see the beautiful and well-known Central Park from its window is a supernova region with one of the most expensive square feet in the world. To pay approximately $18,500,000, but he now wants to dispose of this estate, even if it means taking a huge loss. So, he has put it up for sale for less than half its original price, or approximately $7,800,000. Lionel Messi, on the other hand, appears to have made better investment decisions. Because the star is passionate about luxury cars and enjoys going to the beach with his family, he decided to combine the two by purchasing a property in the Porsche-designed tower, a super technological building that will make any car lover's jaw drop. The imposing 60-story building with a spectacular sea view has an incredible elevator exclusively for cars, which is very exotic and difficult to find, even in the most sophisticated and modern buildings in the world. The player's duplex property is approximately 3,300 square feet in size and is entirely covered in beautiful white marble. According to some sources, Lionel Messi only needed to invest a small sum of $7,300,000. So Messi easily wins this round. Round 3. Car Collection. Among those who have passed through Lionel Messi's garage are some supercars with exorbitant prices. He has already been seen in high-end vehicles, such as a $25,000 Toyota Prius, a $30,000 Mini Cooper, a $50,000 Toyota SW4, a $60,000 Audi Q7, a $69,400 Audi A7, a $69,500 Range Rover Sport, and an $80,000 Cadillac Escalade, among others. Cristiano Ronaldo, on the other hand, has been seen driving some exorbitantly priced supercars, including a $45,000 Camaro convertible, a $125,000 Mercedes-AMG GLE 63, a $155,000 Audi RS7, a $250,000 Audi RS7, and more. But without a doubt, Cristiano Ronaldo's most expensive car is a Bugatti Cento Diese, a very exclusive super sports car with only 10 units produced worldwide. This incredible car has 1,600 horsepower engine and can accelerate from 0 to 60 in an incredible 2.4 seconds. So who do you think will win this round? It is indeed Cristiano Ronaldo. Round 4. $1 Million Business. Cristiano Ronaldo decided to take advantage of his reputation as a stylish man and opened his own store called CR7, where he sells underwear, glasses, perfume, and other items. Lionel Messi, on the other hand, invests in similar sectors such as tourism as a partner of MIM Hotels, a chain of luxury hotels with 4 units spread around the world. The unit on the island of Mallorca in Spain, for example, has a robust infrastructure and faces the city's exquisite beaches. Those who prefer to enjoy the snow can stay at Bakura, a comfortable and cozy place. Messi also invests in other industries such as real estate, restaurants, and fashion, where he launched the Messi Store in 2019, an online clothing store inspired by the player's style. So since they have almost the same investment, this round is a tie, and everyone gets a point. Last but not the least, round 5. Net worth. Messi, for example, led the ranking of the highest paid players in the world until 2020. But after leaving Barcelona, he fell to second place, receiving a total salary plus sponsorships of $110 million from PSG. Cristiano Ronaldo, on the other hand, is currently the highest paid soccer player in the world, receiving $125 million for playing at Manchester United, a total of earnings combined with sponsorships. But that huge net worth does not represent all of the money they make, as they are considered one of the most followed celebrities on social media, attracting the interest of the world's biggest brands to invest a real fortune. Cristiano Ronaldo is estimated to make more money from advertising than from playing soccer, and because he is more popular, his net worth is likely to be higher. And that is why Cristiano received another point. So at the end of this fight, we had 4 points for Cristiano Ronaldo and 2 points for Lionel Messi, making Ronaldo the winner of this great battle. So who among you won our bet? Congratulations, because you were an excellent bettor. Now, if you believe there are additional arguments to support one of the two, please list them below. That's it for now. If you enjoyed the video and found it useful, remember to subscribe to The Life of Luxury for more videos to help you explore the wonderful lives of the elite. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you won't miss out on any of our uploads. See you in our next video!